Boom. Wrong box, guys. Wrong box. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. All right, back to familiar settings. So today we got the first sandal on the channel. Nike Canyon Sandal NA. So let's get into this review and I'll tell you guys why I picked up some sandals. Let's go. Drum roll, please. Boom. That's very unfortunate that the paper wasn't covered. But anyways, let's get into it. First impressions on it. I do have the flash on, so that's why it kind of looks like it's an off-white. Or not an off-white, but like a faded black, but no. It's black. I could already tell you a con already. Do we got some laces? Nope. Let's get out of here. Alright, I could already tell you a con with time. As far as like with age, these will turn like purple. But this is with the flash on. I'm going to take the flash off and show you guys the actual representation of how the shoe looks. I mean, sandal. Alright, flash is off. It's funny that they put these little pieces of paper in there. Don't know why we would need it. I guess it's, and we don't need this no more. Oh, you can't break it open. It's so difficult. All right, we don't need that no more. Okay, so first impressions, we got these little flabs. So these little flabs remind me of like, you know those little things for the phone, like the iPods that you slide on your arm? This is what it reminds me of. It's the same material. It's like a spandex material. Here we got little clips so you can tighten them. And over here, it's like we got Velcro. Really good Velcro at that, because I can't even. Okay, so we got Velcro right here to make them super tight. So the reason I picked these sandals up is because you, wait on it, can take these hiking. You can take these rock climbing. So they are marketed. And as they should, these are an $80 pair of sandals. As you can see the bottom, it definitely has like a hiker / runner's type of sole. Super thick. And it almost feels super spongy, as you can see there. Look. See that bounce back? So like I said, we're going to go ahead and put these on the feet. But like I said, main part is that, you know, these are called the Nike Canyon Sandal. So it has an outsole of plush foam. And it's a triple strap. So it's got one strap here, 2 straps here, and 3 straps. As you can see. Here. So we got 3 straps. So like I said, you could take, pretty much you could take these anywhere. So pretty much, let's put these on the feet, guys. It's not much to it. I will let you know if they're comfortable. And definitely I'm going to let you guys know about the sizing. And in a future video, we're going to actually test out the whole rock climbing, going on a hike, how well comfortable they get. Are they waterproof? You know, all that good stuff that if you're looking to buy these sandals at a hefty price, you want to know. So let's go ahead and put these on the feet. I did get these a size and a half smaller because they only come in 12 or like 10, like from... They don't have half sizes, is what I'm trying to say, which is weird. But let's go. Loosen this up here. Slide it on in. All right. Clip there, and then you could tighten as you wish here. Unstrap the second Velcro. Go ahead and give it a nice little tighten. And give it a nice little tighten, and you got a snug fit. Got a nice little snug fit. Let's go ahead and put the other one. It almost looks like I'm wearing a shoe. Like a super like disonorous, curious shoe. If you could spell that in the comments and get it right, I will give away these shoes. But let's go ahead and put the other one on. Alright guys, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of people saying you're not supposed to wear those without socks. Like, what kind of person are you? But you know what guys? We're wearing socks. Deal with it. But anyways, like I said, it doesn't look good with black socks. Like, for whatever reason, it looks like a bad attempt at a shoe. Definitely, like, as far as comfort though, let me show you comfort. It almost feels like you're not wearing any shoes. But definitely the heel has got to be tight, the back part of it, if you want it to be comfortable. Definitely you get a free motion. Okay, so Nike, let me tell you something. Nike screwed up on this shoe, and let me tell you. So this is the point of view of the Nike Canyon Sandal. You know, chilling right here next to the big dog. But yeah guys, Nike messed up on this one. So this one here is not up to par. Okay, as you can see, this one, it's nice and flush. It's got the right correct sign. Notice how this one's not nice and flush. And the Nike sign is forced up. Now let me show you the way that Nike wants you to wear it. So this is why I was struggling in the beginning. So you see how it's nice and flush, like how it's supposed to go. It fits through the loop, kind of okay, it fits through the loop. And then when you're gonna go about lacing it back to its original standpoint, the Velcro is on the opposite side. So you literally need a twist, but like actually pull super hard. You get me? So Nike, you screwed up, man. See how it's not flush anymore? So I don't know what I think about it, guys. Now, like I said, it's a sandal video. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion right now as of me wearing them. Would you go out and spend $80 on some sandals? If you're a sandal person, yes. If you're a person that, you know, really doesn't wear sandals, yeah, guys, tell me what you think. So there you have it, guys, the sandals. You know, you could find these way cheaper, like that are not Nike, for like 30 bucks. Maybe even 20 bucks. You're paying for the litter Nike sign. But like I said, I bought them. They came out wrong, as you can see. You know, not happy, Nike. Nike, if you're watching this, get at me and send me a new pair. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for those of you who guys participated in the giveaway list. If you've made it to this part of the video, then you know you're on the list. Peace out.
number 3 lane, 67 lane.
Here, Madre, number 3 lane, let's go. He's now advising that he wants to go to the police station.